Snoring is caused by extra tissue in the nose or throat that restricts breathing during sleep. But you don't snore, do you? Yet, somehow you sound like the whistling of a kettle and drive your wife crazy. Thankfully, sleeping in separate bedrooms isn't the only remedy. To get rid of the wheezing sounds and preserve your loved one's good night's sleep, use GoodNiter. GoodNiter clears the airways and reduces the vibration of the soft palate, while eliminating any sign of snoring for the whole night. Happy wife, happy life. It's GoodNiter you should be thanking. Visit now, GoodNiter.com.